Afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be performing RBC suspension. First, we will prepare a homemade 0.9% NSS by dissolving 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of water. This is the 1 cup of water, and this is the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll dissolve it. So we have now diluted the salt in the water. So we have now prepared the homemade 0.9% NSS by dissolving 1/2 teaspoon salt in 1 cup of water. Next, we need to obtain a free EDTA whole blood. So this is the EDTA whole blood. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the first problem is we need to prepare the following. So first, 2 ml 3% RBC suspension. So we need to solve first. We have here the formula. Percent concentration is equals to volume of solute over volume of solution times 100%. So for question number 1, 3% is equals to x over 2 ml times 100%. The 3% here is the RBC suspension, while the 2 ml is the solute concentration. 3% times 2 ml is equals to, multiply siya sa 100% over 100, and then same 100%, then cancel, then 3 times 2 ml, 6 over 100. So the result will be 0.06 ml of whole blood. So we have now here the whole blood values, which is the 0.06 ml. Next, we need to get the solvent. So 2 ml minus 0.06, which is the whole blood, is equals to 1.94 ml of NSS, or shall we say 2 ml of NSS. We have now here 2 ml of NSS for number 1. So for the whole blood, we have 0.06 ml, and for our NSS, we have 2 ml. So in order to make 2 ml of RBC suspension, we should add 0.06 ml of packed RBC and 2 ml of NSS. So we will proceed now with our dilution. So we have here syringe, and we have here the RBC pipette. So we need to get 0.06 ml of whole blood. %of whole blood. So we need to get it here. 0.06. So we have now 0.06 ml of whole blood. Then we should add this here. And then we should add 2 ml of NSS. 2 ml of NSS. 2 ml NSS. So we have aspirated 2 ml of NSS. Then we should put it here. So this is sample number 1. Now we have here 0.06 ml and 2 ml of NSS. Then let's proceed for number 2. Let's proceed for number 2. The problem is 4 ml 3% RBC suspension. So 3% is equals to x over 4 ml times 100%. 3% is the RBC suspension and the 4 ml is the solute concentration. Times 100 over 100, so makrush out siya. So, i-divide mo 3 times 4, i-multiply mo anay. Ang 3% times 4 ml is equals to 12 over 100. So, the result would be 0.12 ml of whole blood. So, we have here our whole blood. Then, we need to solve for our NSS solution. So, 4 ml minus 0.12 ml is equals to 3.88 ml or 4 ml of NSS should be added. In order to make 4 ml of RBC suspension, add 0.12 ml of PAC RBC and 4 ml of NSS. Sample number 2. We should aspirate 0.12 ml. 0.12. So, 10 lang siya. Dugangan ta lang siya sa 2 ml. 10 ml sa. Then mag-add lang taog 2 niya. 10. Then add 2 more. So we have 2. Parami mo siya 12. Then we should add 4 ml of NSS. 4 ml of NSS. 4 ml NSS. Ay. 4 ml NSS. 4 ml. Kulang pa siya, dugang tawan. Para na siya 4. Okay. So this is for sample number 2. This is sample number 2. Sample number 2. With 0.12 ml of whole blood and 4 ml of NSS. Next one. For number 3. Prepare a 5 ml 3% Rbc suspension. 3% is equals to 4 over 5 ml times 100%. 3% times 5 ml over 100%. Then ma-crash out ng 100 over 100 crash out. So 3 times 5, 15 over 100% is equals to 0.15 ml of whole blood. So we have now the value of our whole blood, which is 0.15 ml. Now we will solve for the NSS. 5 ml minus 0.15 ml is equals to 4.85 ml. So in order to make 5 ml of RBC suspension, add 0.15 ml of packed RBC and 5 ml of NSS. So now we will perform the third and last problem. First, we should get a 0.15 ml of whole blood. 0.15 ml of whole blood. Need to aspirate 0.15. So, tanong siya mag-add ng tanong. So, you have here 10. Mag-add pa ta. Og 5. Another 5. Okay. So problem number 3, we have now aspirated 0.15 ml of whole blood. Then we should add 5 ml of NSS. 5 ml of NSS. 5 ml of NSS. First, we aspirated 3 ml. So, may kulang pa ta. So, add pa ta og 2. Plus 2 ml. Siyempre siya. Hindi siya mag-cash. So we have now here our 0.15 ml of whole blood and 5 ml of NSS for question number 3. That's all. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.